Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I have here on my desk my newest digital, Labels from Days Gone By, Volume 2. Volume 1 was such a hit that we did it in red, green, and blue, and now we have the neutral Volume 2. 20 pages of awesomeness. Very happy with it, how it turned out. Just like all the other digitals, this is the large size of the label, and then so page 1 and then 1B is the same labels in smaller and even smaller, and some of them with the larger print are even smaller again. And so you print out these pages, you have every size that you might need for your project, so super convenient. And I made these large enough that they're perfect for making little tuck spots as well, and pockets and such, so, or even little mini journal cards, a lot of them. So anyways, yes, okay, so this is the first page. I won't show you the second page because it's just these at a smaller size. Here we go, page 2. Very happy with how they turned out. Lots of really interesting bits. Bits from the past. Page 3. Look, I love this one right here. Super cool, and I really like this one too. Yeah, 1 cent coffee, 1 cent per pound. Can you imagine? Very cool. Very happy with them. And page 4. Love these. Sporting their hats. And I love the pen holders one and this one. I love them all. Yeah, very cool. Perfect for embellishing all of our ephemera and our journal pages. These are all 2-inch, and then the size smaller is 1.5 and then 1. So they'll work with your punches if you have them. These, although a little bit more work to cut out, super cool labels. Yeah. And page 6. There are a couple that are repeats. I think there's about 3 of them that are in here more than once. I must have really, really liked them. But hey, 20 pages, you can't go wrong. Consider them a bonus. All the other labels from Days Gone By are actually only 16 pages. So yeah, that makes up for it. And the size smaller. Page 7. Love this book label. It's very cool. And this book label and the measuring tape here is really neat. Page 8. Love this. And this bike one. Really cool. Really cool bits of history from Days Gone By. That's why it's called Days Gone By. Love this label right here. And this one, ready to stamp in or do whatever you want with. And then we have page 10. Another stamp, or I mean, did I say stamp before? I meant to say label. That's good to go for your stamping or decorating. A couple of really cool book plates. And that's the smaller size. So that's it. That is the Labels from Days Gone By Volume 2. You can find all of the links to all of the other label kits in this series in the description box below, as well as a flip through to them. And also don't forget to subscribe to the studio's design team for lots of inspiration and projects that you can make with the studio's digitals, and all of their links are down below as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.